Alrighty, aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. Okay, so I know that there's been some kind of delay as far as posting and editing. That's totally my fault. It's been kind of crazy lately with work and whatnot. But today, we're in Kaneohe, come to you from Windward Mall, right by Macy's. Today is all about Castle High School and their Auto Mechanics program. Noel came to me and he's like, hey, I want to make this big show. And so we're like, great, let's do it. So we got out some of the Drag Tech guys as well as some of the VQ Inc. family. And some of the off-road Yoda guys, and it's gonna be a complete blast today. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna make our way down to Castle High School, set up the whole big tent, this and that, all that fun stuff. But let's take a quick look at the cars, and yeah, let's go. The one and only Tacoma. Check this out. This is Nolan's ride. One of the sickest cars out. Uh-oh. You guys are ruining my vlog.
I thought I had that though.
Oh, yeah. No, Nolan right now is enhancing it. Tacoma. Those of you who don't know, this guy's Instagram is Tacoma. And this right here is Mr. Mokes. You gotta put the foot up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cool. So for those of you who don't know and haven't caught up with us in a while, Brother Mokes was helping me with some stuff and something fell and went into his leg. But we're not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about this car. This car looks fast. This is Henry's car. Yeah. What's retail one of those, Mokes?
I don't know. I like the color though. It matches.
It does. It's like an orange dreamsicle.
I like orange bag better.
Can't blame me. We got the R8 out. We got the work truck. We got an Alpha GTR. So Mokes over here featuring his new license plate. LOL BMW. And then we got J-Rock detailing over here. His sick Corvette. Notice the beating action on this thing. Yeah. So are we calling an audible for Gion? Get it at IREP Auto Detailing Supply Center. And then the Supra, Lexus, RSX, a Honda Civic Type R, Yasu's car. We got the Kia, and then we got the VQ from Mike Tenga, something. It's gonna be a great day, hopefully, fingers crossed. doing Island Driver. We got the tent set up behind us. Mike Tanka something. Walking all nonchalantly. He thinks he's the man. Because he is the man. Yes, you. And now, it's hot. So we're going to go get some high cravings acai bowls. Jordan, tell me about it.
Oh, they're so good. You definitely need to get like 2. At least.
Just get a big one.
This is more toppings than acai, which is I'm not.
Did you guys get?
Right there.
Oh, this guy. What do we got here? Tell me about it.
Shave ice, vanilla, dreamsicle, and gummy bear.
Oh. Yeah. Look at all these cars. My favorite wheels in the world. This Alright, so we're at the acai bowl place. High cravings. Everybody say it together. Oh. I usually get the kapakahi. That's a good one. Yeah, oh yeah. Get hungry, Kurt. Get hungry. Get hungry, Nolan. Yes, you get hungry. Yeah, we hungry. Oh, the electric GTR, so quiet. EV. It's another electric vehicle. Yes, you. Are you 21? Shoot, Sprax! Yeah, you. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna expose all the jokes of today. So starting with my car. Okay, we're gonna look at this joke real quick. Hold on. Okay, so if you can read that, I was one of the first people who registered my car. This is not Porsche, so, but I did originally register the Porsche. Okay, next. Welcome, Henry. All right, so we're going to the next joke, which is my work truck. So you can see up there. Yeah. So we know that one. Then we're gonna go to the next joke. So it's kind of a far walk, but take a look at this one. Orange Bang in the house. Happy Halloween. Yep. Okay. Whew. Kurt's car. Jordan's car. Jordan's car. The other Jordan left. He had an R8. Okay. Look at this beautiful Mopar. Who knew that you spelled Mopar BMW? I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. You spell Mopar BMW. They got the M right, but that's about it. Yeah. Now let's go get some food. I heard that there's poke nachos somewhere. Poke nachos, guys? Nachos!
Yeah, it's like coming off the hood.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here at the State Farm booth. And the name of the game is to throw a beanbag through one of these 3 hoops. Kind of like Quidditch. Okay, so these 3. So this one, oh my gosh. I'm getting attacked. Wow! Wow! The booth is red for a reason, guys. Okay, go! At least she didn't hit me this time. Alright, alright. Big mahalo to Nolan. Yeah, let's do it. Yes, you! Do it again! Hanaho, one more time. Do it! Yes, you. What happened? Back sore. Okay, wait. I gotta take a picture. Okay, ready. Oh, okay. Okay, 3. No shakas, no gang signs, whatever. Come on. Shaka, there you go. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Cool. Take a look at that. Look gangster, very gangster with a tilted hat and everything. Your hat is dagging. Everybody's a winner. Yes, you. What does it look like? Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, you.
Put the cap on.
Put the hat on. We gotta see you in your swag.
Oh, man. There it is.
Yeah. Oh, you look official. Like a train conductor.
That's perfect.
Yeah, buddy. Congratulations, brother. Boom. Hey guys, that was an absolute blast. Woo! Okay, so that's one way of drawing attention to this place. But that concludes today's show. Oh, there's another one. Well, it's always fun. You can see all kinds of crazy, you know, pulls and whatnot. But wow, today was so much fun. Big shout out to Noel, Castle High School Auto Club for having us out here today. What an awesome day. I mean, it didn't rain at all. We all thought it was gonna rain pretty heavy, to be honest. So nobody really cleaned up the cars that well. But thank you so very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. But as always, I'll see you guys at the next one.